Just when time Gaza did I lock it down. Lock it down. Boy, I couldn't find the key for the city that did I mash him down. Mash him down. Have some respect for the then tell them watch them tongue. Them if you know man a gangster. Yeah, I so play strong.
Man, if you know say from morning me never eat. That me I tell a man. Struggle out here. More time I just feel like eat all them food, more time in a car. Out here rough, you know. That me I tell you, you know. People them they are foreign and name are too sane, not more time I will have some meds. I've just round here and hold it. How them boy? Can't do take no check boy place here, you know. Some I wanna Vegas sleep. From daddy got jail. Or the boy Denzel. As a Jamaican bad man, first thing you have to understand, you have to have a clocks. You can't say a Jamaican bad man and you don't have a clocks. And your first clocks we're supposed to have is a desert clocks. Let me tell you this now. From a Jamaican bad man, more time the lace of y'all out. And next thing again, you have to have on a cut up foot pants. If you say he's a Jamaican bad man. And it have to tear up. And the man them on ever hold up them front. Me don't know why. But it's just a bad man thing. And me make the man them know say from them say them a bad man, them always a go strap. All if no bullet no night. A man of a strap is just a bad man thing. When it come on to underpants, all 5 and 6 underpants man a bad man. But in other case here, I just one man a van, cause guess what? The struggle is real. As a Jamaican bad man again, you always have a liquor in your back pocket. And you don't know say a Guinness. And for you if you can bust that off with your lighter, you have to know if you can do that. Fling away all your cock with attitude. You know what I say? Bless all the grung and thing. And then you just go to bumps and take all one sip. You don't know the thing set. You know what I mean? Again, as a Jamaican bad man, you have to look side to side because you know say alright, you can't take no check. Yeah? And next thing, you know say, as a Jamaican bad man, you have to have all your spliff. Take your spliff from all back of your ears. You don't know. I agree too. Make certain say you're about that with the energy. You know what I mean? Make certain a weed seed in the night. Rub about your spliff. Because you know how we do it, you still have to look side to side. Because we can't trust them boy. Because as a Jamaican bad man, more time you and a man have to in a war. Which is the case right now, because me a look out for the boy G-Fuss. Yeah, you have to make certain say, you have all your Rizzler. So you can't walk a big Rizzler, you know. You have to have your Rizzler. And you just go to bumps and roll up all your spliff. Because you don't know the thing set. Yeah?
So who gets them? From them this me done them on the dead man. You know what thing go? Who gas them up cause we got bust the cylinder. Matic in a lap, dog half cut the window. We no fly kick in a chest, we no ninja. One of the strength in a me index finger. Bust the cylinder, colder than winter. Simple as you see me dog, me never left the incha. Take out them life, you coulda faster than the sprinter. Pussy a joke, you take bad man thing for. Bust the cylinder, turn in your bed.
Yo, Ducky Maker, what do you face?
What do my face? So the boy G-Fuss running last night. So me never strap. The boy goes up and catch me while I read my there was 1 bar drink or 1 Guinness. The boy running about a little all beef from Wally. And I me never strap, you know. But you say anywhere I buck him, the boy I go feel the AK here. Cause me I tell you, say me I give him couple out of this. Yeah? Can't tell him, say me say it up. Right now, him me out here look for. A man they meet from morning. Last but not least, as a Jamaican bad man, you have to have the walk, yeah.
Put you out from in a Netherland. Where the grabbers think like Ali get up on. The scheme hot today, we are the weatherman. A boy shoulda drop, but the beretta jam. Long time we no kill a man. So we circle Benz like the little man. Set a bomb, make a damn black rain fall. So we must catch a man. That's the